Dinner recipes. Amma Chethi Vanta. 1. Chicken curry. Ingredients: 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 2 onions, chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp garam masala. 1 tsp red chili powder. A half tsp turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoon fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a large pan and add cumin seeds. 2. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, add chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. 3. Add minced garlic and grated ginger and cook for a minute. 4. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. 5. Add all the dry spices: coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well. 6. Add the chicken pieces and mix well with the masala. 7. Add 1 cup of water, cover the pan and let it cook for about 15–20 minutes, stirring occasionally. 8. Once the chicken is cooked and the gravy has thickened, turn off the heat. 9. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or roti. 2. Vegetable pulao. Ingredients: 1 cup basmati rice. 1 cup mixed vegetables: carrots, peas, beans, potatoes. 1 onion, sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp coriander powder. A half tsp garam masala. A half tsp turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoon. 2 cups water. Instructions: 1. Rinse the basmati rice in water and soak for 30 minutes. 2. Heat oil in a large pan and add cumin seeds. 3. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, add sliced onions and saute until they turn golden brown. 4. Add minced garlic and grated ginger and cook for a minute. 5. Add the mixed vegetables and cook for 2–3 minutes. 6. Add all the dry spices: coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well. 7. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pan. Stir well to mix with the vegetables and spices. 8. Add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. 9. Once it starts to boil, lower the heat, cover the pan and let it cook for about 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. 10. Fluff the rice with a fork and serve hot with raita. 3. Fish fry. Ingredients: 500 grams fish fillets. 1 tsp ginger garlic paste. 1 tsp red chili powder. A half tsp turmeric powder. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp cumin powder. 1 tsp garam masala. 1 tsp lemon juice. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoon for frying. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and salt. 2. Add lemon juice to the spice mixture and mix well. 3. Marinate the fish fillets in this mixture for 30 minutes. 4. Heat oil in a pan and fry the marinated fish fillets until they turn golden brown and crispy. 5. Serve hot with lemon wedges and onion rings. 4. Eggplant curry. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized eggplants, cut into cubes. 1 onion, chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 1 tsp cumin seeds. 1 tsp coriander powder. 1 tsp garam